It's not too cold today, it's just 0. You can see rust all the way around here, all the way around here. So it was only being held on by a tiny little bit, which is not very good welding. Low quality welding. I think that some of the parts on these machines are good quality, like that's a good quality part. Maybe this axle's a good quality part. The bearings might be good quality, but some parts of it are just not very well made. Like this was not a good weld. My weld isn't pretty, but it's a better weld. It held. Well, and the other one broke. So not very good quality control, I suppose you could say, because I mean probably they have a company with different employees who have different skill levels. That's my guess. The impact driver is the only thing that I have that has the right size crosshead screwdriver, so I don't need it for its impact function. Let's just hold that steady. Put that back there because I don't want to lose the parts. I'll just put them back where they came from. Okay. So there's nothing wrong with that. That's not. It's moving nicely. I could put a bit of extra grease on it, but there's nothing wrong with it at the moment. You know, it's not. It didn't break because that was stuck or anything. It just broke because the welding was rubbish. Do the same on this bit as well. So it has a beveled edge. A little bit precarious, but there we go. Set up. Maybe a little bit too hot. I'll put it to 80. Maybe still a little bit hot at 80. Oh, damn. Burnt out that pretty coal. Smells of artificial pear. Just turn that upside down. That was the point of that I couldn't do this. Because of the design of that. It's actually warmer now. I think it's more than 0. Mind you, the metalwork is still quite cold. That can't be too tight. Seems pretty good. Right, it's not very cold, so I'm not going to leave the forewarming on very long. The forewarming, 3 seconds, 4 seconds, seems to work all right. That's work now. Works nicely.